Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vayner -79 in League of Legends. So this is a connection error, and here's a simple fix for it. First, you're gonna go to search, type in add or remove programs. It will open this window. You wanna click on here, search apps, type in Riot. And in here, you wanna delete Vanguard, click uninstall, uninstall again, yes, and it will uninstall it. Now, you can also uninstall League of Legends. It's optional, you don't have to, but you can also, and then like re-download it fully. After you uninstall Riot Vanguard, you will exit out of this, open Riot Client. After the Riot Client opens, you want to click on League. It says here update, check-in size, install Vanguard. So you want to click update, and it will, and click yes, and it will install Vanguard. And after it's done installing, it will say here your game requires a system restart to play, but don't restart your PC just yet. You want to exit out of this to go back to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in this services.msc. You want to click OK. In here, you want to click somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. You want to double click on it. And in here, the startup type, you want to switch to automatic, not the automatic delay start, just automatic. Click apply, click OK. You want to exit out of this, go back to search one more time and type in system configuration. After you open this, go to services tab, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. You want to make sure you untick it and tick it back again so it's blue, and then click apply, OK. And it will ask you to restart your PC for changes to work. And after you restart your PC, your League of Legends will work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vayner -79 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway. Like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.